Construction has started at Auburn Elementary School. Improvements planned for Auburn will help relieve overcrowding and enhance safety and security, including seismic safety. 10 new classrooms and a new cafeteria, serving area, and kitchen will be built here. The new classrooms will be built to a higher seismic standard that allows them to be reoccupied after an earthquake. The old portable classrooms will be removed. A multi-purpose fitness room will be built here. A second covered play area and a new playground will be built here. The site will be improved to include additional parking and better traffic flow. The school office will be relocated for improved access, safety and security, and a secured vestibule will be constructed at the new front entry. The former cafeteria space will be renovated into classrooms, and the library and select classroom spaces will receive upgrades. Over $20 million will be invested in improvements at Auburn. Construction is expected to be substantially complete in August of 2021. Auburn Elementary School 2018 Bond Program. Thank you, voters.